Hey everyone, so Motor City Spindle Repair wants to become the Amazon of the CNC manufacturing industry, and we're on our way there. What I mean by that is when you think of Amazon, you think of convenience. You place an order from the comfort of your own home, you don't have to take your pajamas off, you don't have to go anywhere for it, and it'll arrive on your doorstep within a couple days, sometimes even same day. So Motor City wants to be able to do that for CNC manufacturing shops. If you guys have a broken CNC spindle or other component, which a lot of end users do, I know there's thousands and thousands laying across the USA on plant floors right now. We offer pickup services for free. We'll come to your facility wherever you guys are in the USA, pick that unit up, bring it back to our facility, get you guys a free repair quote, and then even ship it back to you guys. So we want to make things as convenient for our end users as possible. And all that starts with is you reaching out to us and letting us know that you guys are interested in getting that free repair quote. So Lauren at MotorCityRepair.com, and I would love to get you guys back up and running. Hope to hear from you soon and have a great rest of your day.